Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach after market update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Monday, July 25th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today in the room, starting from left to right, there was three opportunities in the crude, or I'm sorry, in gold. We had one short in crude. It was actually a couple different entries we had here, but it was around the same price. And then we had a beautiful short in the ES, and well, nothing went really far. It all went to where we thought it was going to go. And I'm going to run through everything here. First trade, real quick here in the gold. We had an opportunity to get short. Now, I told people you can start shorting as low as 1320. 20.5 was another opportunity, either 1320 or 20.5. The 20s were filled because we had people in, or 19.9 if you wanted to make sure you were filled at 20. And that one worked down for about up to 20 ticks. Then when it came back up, I said if it doesn't go any further below this, we were actually looking for it to get down to 37.4. When it didn't make it and it started going back up, we got long at the price here at 13.19.1. Okay, that one made up to 10 pennies or up to 10 ticks. 8 or 9 is what we normally take anyway on the first one. So anyway, if somebody didn't take their profit, they still would have never been stopped out or anything. The trade still would have worked and they would have been in. If you took up to 7 or 8 on here, going minus 7 or 8, you would have never been taken out for a break even. And again, you still would have been able to be in. So from 19.1 up to 21.5 was the target. Went up to 21.9. So 19.1, 21, 19.1, 21, 21.1. So about 20, 24 ticks from the original entry. For those who weren't in still from here, we got back in, okay, at 1320.2. And that one went up to 21.5. So again, that was 13 ticks there in gold. And then basically we were done with the gold because the room was closed. We did stay later. And that was because of the crude trade. In crude, we got short up as high as 24. And we got we were in as low as 19. We stayed later. I was looking for this thing to get below the 43.07, see if it can get down lower. Stayed about a half an hour or so later in the room, a little bit, about 40 minutes. We did get from all the way up to as low as 19, all the way down to up to 20 pennies, 15 to 20 pennies again on that. Some people were in from 24, so they could have got a little more, but realistically 15 to 20 pennies on that trade maximum. And that was it for crude. That was a winner. And then in the ES, we had a beautiful short in the ES that was at that was at 8:36 Central Standard Time, 21.64 quarter, and it went down to my target of 58 and 56 respectively. Right here, again, we stayed till about 11:30, but some only got to 58, some ran out of contracts before that, but the target was hit on there and it was posted the whole time. So from 64, we'll call it 64 to 58 was 6 points and then 8 points to the final target, and that was a beautiful win in the ES. So until then, guys, we'll see you guys back tomorrow. 5 trades today, 5 winners in the market, and see you back tomorrow.